Alright everybody, welcome back to a glorious fun day. So today I started out with some wire mold like I mentioned yesterday. I already pulled out this receptacle, locked it out of course, before I started this video, so I took a picture while I was midway process of that. And then I went ahead and threw on the bracket and threw out the T, which I was talking about yesterday. So hopefully this clears up some confusion of yesterday if there was any. So this is what it looked like when I started. This is kind of midway through. Once I got all the boxes mounted, the T taken off for pulling wire obviously, but I got all the wire mold on, the wire mold boxes, and this is the setup I was talking about yesterday. Taking out the receptacle, putting on the wire mold box, and then adding 3 more up top. This is what it looks like when it's done. And obviously this is only my second time, and I think it turned out really good. I'm really happy with how it went. Got it done really fast, like 2.5–3 hours, basically right at break time. And the last one took me like twice that long or more. It was more intricate and stuff. I had to pull wire, tap off of circuits, all that, do cut in boxes and flex. But I'm really happy how fast this one turned out. Turned out really good. Also added some labels on here, basically saying that it's fed off of the left GFCI down below. And basically if it's tripped, just push the reset button. And then from there I went ahead and switched out these 3 outlets that are going to be next to a future sink, from regular receptacles to GFCIs. As you can see, there's going to be the sink back there with the hole in the wall that's for water, to hook up the sink. Then I popped back over to the CHR shop and labeled the power poles because I forgot to do that. Forgot to do that, so went ahead and did a quick label on the power poles. And then right next door in the closet of the CHR shop, I was going to switch out the light. I was going to switch out the light that we temporarily hung in there, but as you can see, the new one is literally the same, so I was like, I'm not switching this, but if I have to I will, but it's literally the same thing, so went ahead and skipped that for now. And then from there, basically put away material that was at the back door for the rest of the day and did some cleaning and organizing. All this wire was sitting on the ground, so I threw that back up onto the pad. All these carts were just a disaster, so I cleared off a couple of those, got all the wire off the ground, put that on the Freedom cart. Just got everything in a nice little island over there, so that looks really nice. And there was like 30 or 40 rolls of wire that I threw onto the wire rack. Some deliveries today. I got like 3 or 4 boxes of wire, so I went ahead and threw all those together, all the 12s right there on the middle. Still got the dimming above, which didn't touch anything on that. Those are the 14s. Then I threw some more 12s up on top. This cart, I think this thing's kind of starting to collapse, but anyways, I'm not sure if that was me or whatnot, but it's been like that. So anyways, that's what I did today. It was a really fun day. Got a lot done. It felt really good, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. And yeah. See you guys in the next one. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Love you guys. Peace.